My film cameras are broken and I really need to fix them. I read an article a few days ago about there's an expert who can fix the film camera. Today I'm going to take a look at the place. It's in Shanghai. So this is the camera Leon gave to me as a gift. It's his old camera, his family's old camera. So basically the problem with this camera is that I put in the film inside the camera, but it cannot read. Another camera is this AE1 program. It works really well, but the thing is this part, this little handle is broken. We're going to find a place. I don't know where it is. It has like 6 floors in this building. Let's find out. Yeah, I'm looking for the camera that I want.
You want to get a Rolleiflex?
Nah. I'm not that rich. Okay. I used to own this. So Olympus intentionally changed the name like in different areas. So it's called Mewtwo in Asia and Stylus Epic in North America.
So it's sort of like the T7i with T5i.
Yeah.
For Canon.
Basically.
装胶片显示不了吗？
对。
哦，是不是没装好？
要不您打开再装一次。
我试一下吧。你一直看到片头在这里。
嗯。
It's like that big.
Yeah.
好了，到第一张了。
太好了，太好了。
如果你要拍，那么它马上就变成第二张。行。
Take a picture of a person taking pictures.
Yes.
So creative. Oh, it's got a little flash.
Yeah. 耶！太好了，太好了。
哎，这个相机是看医生。
这个已经治好了。
但是他在病床上在躺躺，给他盖个被子。
那个正在手术台上。
还可以，能用就行了。
对。
谢谢。
不用谢。
谢谢。This is what I got just now. I always want a medium format camera, so here it is. I think the Mamiya 645 is the perfect beginner medium format camera, and I got it like around 3,005 RMB. That's around $500, I guess. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm going to learn it, and also did more tutorial and some guide and about this camera, and I'll take it out to have a photo shoot and put some sample photos for you guys. Yeah, and stay tuned for that. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.